Hello my dear children, welcome back to my channel. This is Vidya Prabhu, your maths teacher here. Today's session is about class 10 NCERT chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Let me continue with exercise number 3.1, question number 1, first subdivision. So here we have two subdivisions. Both the subdivisions we need to solve graphically. So by solving the method of graphical. Okay, so we are going to learn how to solve the pairs of linear equation by using graphical method. So the statement will be given. From the statement, first we need to frame a pair of linear equation. After framing the equation, we need to solve by graphical method. So let me read the question. First subdivision from exercise 3.1. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and the girls who took part in the quiz. Totally 10 students of class 10 have participated in the mathematical quiz. So we know that in a class of class 10, both you may have both boys and girls, right? So let me assume, let the number of boys equal to x. So there are x number of boys participated in the mathematical quiz. The number of boys be x and let number of girls be y. We have to assume it in terms of two variables. The unknown quantity, we have to take it as x and y. First, we are going to assume the number of boys as x and the number of girls as y. From the statement, we can analyze that totally 10 students have participated in the mathematical quiz. So, you can frame the first equation by using the total strength of boys and girls. From the given data, the number of boys, x boys plus y girls, total will be 10. So this will be your first linear equation in two variable. Equation number 1. Number of boys plus number of girls equal to totally 10 students have participated in the mathematical quiz. Then second, the statement continues. The number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Number of girls we have assumed it as y. This y value is number of boys added with 4. So using that you can frame the second equation. The number of girls, that is number of girl y is equal to number of boys x plus 4 more than, so plus 4. So this will be our equation number 2. Clear? So from the given statement we need to frame the pairs of linear equation in two variable. So we need to assume let the number of boys be x and the number of girls be y. The first statement says that totally we have 10 students. So x plus y equal to 10. In second it continues the number of girls. So y is equal to number of boys added with 4, right? 4 more than number of boys. Now we need to solve these two equations by using graphical method. So we'll take the first equation, x plus y equal to 10. Now we need to give three different values of x so that you can find out three different values of y. So x and y. I'm going to take x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. Now substitute here. If you substitute, if x equal to 0, what will be the value of y? 0. In the place of x, you have to substitute 0. So 0 plus y equal to 10. So y will be equal to 10. If x equal to 10, if x equal to 0, y equal to 10. Now substitute x equal to 1 in the place of equation number 1. So what happened? 1 plus y equal to 10. Take this 1 to the other side. So y value will be 10 minus 1, 9. So when x equal to 1, y takes the value 9. Similarly, we need to find out the third value of x and y. So when x equal to 2, what will be the value of y? So in the place of x, you substitute 2, take it to the other side. So 10 minus 2, y will be 8. So now we need to take the second equation. Similarly, we'll find out the three coordinates of x and y. Then we can plot the points on the graph to find out what is the value of x and y. The second equation is y equal to x plus 4. So similarly we are going to assume three different values of x. So x and y. I am going to take x equal to 0, x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. It's not that we have to go with only positive integer. Sometimes based on the problem we can go with the negative integer also. We know that linear equation two variable have infinite number of solutions, right? So when you substitute x equal to 0, y takes the value 4. When x equal to 1, y will be 1 plus 4, 5. When x equal to 2, y will be 2 plus 4, 6. Now using these two values, right, using these two tabular column, we are going to find out the solution of x and y. So first I'll write the coordinate of A. Let me take this as A, B and C, and let this be D, E, F. So we know that the coordinate of A will be 0, 10. The first point will be coordinate will be 0, 10, and the second coordinate B will be 1, 9. Then the third C will be 2, 8. So here we have, using the second equation, the coordinate of D will be 0, 4 and the coordinate of E will be 1, 5. F will be 2, 6. Let me plot the points A, B, C, D, E, F on a graph sheet. Based on the coordinates, we need to choose the axis. We know that the vertical line y-axis and the horizontal line x-axis. So x dash, y dash. The intersection point of the axis will be origin 0. So let me write the scale. I am going to go with 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, right? So the maximum we have 10 on the y-axis here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the x. On the x dash we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. On y we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, etc. Now first we'll plot the point A. So A 0, 10, x-axis 10, x-axis 0, y-axis 10. So x 0, y 10. So I need to continue with the axis 9, 10, etc. So this will be our coordinate of A. The next B 1, 9, x-axis 1, y-axis 9. So this will be our B, the coordinate of B 1, 9. Then C 2, 8, x-axis 2, y-axis 8. So this is our C. Now join this ABC. Draw a straight line. Then next we have to plot the point DEF. D 0, 4. X-axis 0, y-axis 4. So this is your coordinate D. The next we have E 1, 5. X-axis 1, y-axis 5. So this is our coordinate E. Then F we have 2, 6. X-axis 2, y-axis 6. So now join this DEF. When you plot on a graph sheet, so now we need to find out the intersection point of these two graphs, x-axis 3 and y-axis 7. This intersection point has a coordinate of 3, 7. What it means? X, y, right? So we have assumed it as number of boys x, right? So x equal to, which means the number of boys equal to 3 and number of girls, y, in the place of y coordinate we have 7. So the number of girls will be 7. So for the mathematical quiz competition, totally 10 students have participated. Out of 10, 3 boys and 7 girls have participated. Is it clear? This is how you need to find out the solution by using graphical method. So therefore we conclude that number of boys equal to 3 and number of girls equal to 7. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.